Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your marketing skills with Google Digital Garage easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Google Digital Garage website. Create a free account by clicking the sign up button. Fill in your personal details to set up your account. Verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, browse through the course catalog. Look for courses related to marketing. Select a course that aligns with your interests or needs. Read the course description to understand its content and objectives. Click the Enroll button to join the course. Begin with the introductory modules to grasp foundational concepts. Take notes as you progress through the lessons. Engage with interactive activities to reinforce your learning. Complete quizzes at the end of each section to test your understanding. Utilize any additional resources provided, such as articles and videos. Apply the knowledge gained by working on practical assignments. Track your progress through the course dashboard. Reach out to community forums if you have questions or need clarification. Once you've completed the course, download your certificate of completion. Explore additional courses to further enhance your marketing skills. Schedule regular time slots each week for uninterrupted learning. Stay updated with new courses or updates from Google Digital Garage. Implement the skills learned into your real-world marketing efforts. Evaluate your progress regularly to identify areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.